MTV Cribs.
Baby, welcome to our Airbnb. Oh my god, they do have a washer dryer. That's so convenient. And then there's an outdoor balcony. I don't even want to go hiking anymore. We can just chill here.
Look at this free food. Yo, oh my god.
Yo, this is lit. It's finally kicking in that we're in Cali and we make good decisions. What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So, if you didn't know, now you know. I'm in Mammoth Lakes with 5 of my cousins. This is Stasia. Introduce yourself in 5 seconds. I don't know. This is Nashi. Introduce yourself in 5 seconds.
I'm Nashin.
This is Tanifa. Introduce yourself in 5 seconds.
Hi, I'm Tanifa.
Rafi, introduce yourself in 5 seconds.
Hey, I'm Rafi. Follow me on Twitter, Raf Chaudhary.
Wow, that's
also,
good.
follow me on
Wow.
LinkedIn.
Natural. This is Stasi. Introduce yourself in 5 seconds.
Yeah, I was gonna say, to Zeke, just subscribe to Newsflash right now.
Oh my god, thanks. Oh my god, thanks. Yesterday, we jumped off the plane at LAX, you know, with our dreams in a cardigan. We were welcomed to the land of fame excess. Ooh. We didn't know if we were gonna fit in, you know. Okay, sorry.
I hopped off the plane at LAX with my dreams of a cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess, and I'm gonna fit in. Jumped in the camera and the sign, looked to my right and I see the Hollywood sign. This is so crazy. Everybody seems so famous.
Newsflash is famous. Alright, so we're gonna go and do a few small hikes here in the area, and tomorrow we are going to Yosemite National Park. Look how cute the neighborhood and where our Airbnb is. It's so nice. These houses are great. All right.
I love it.
It's so nice!
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. I love this. How hype are you about this?
So hyped. It's absolutely like
Breathtaking.
what I expected.
Yeah, I did not expect this at all.
Wow.
No, that's crazy. What is that? I didn't expect Mammoth to be like that. Okay, guys, so 2 minutes from our Airbnb, we have this amazing view. So what is it called? It's called Lake Basin. Wow.
What are we gonna do?
We're going on a trip in our favorite hiking shoes, going through the mountains. Chowderies and meds. Oh my god, we did it!
I was gonna say I'm mad to Chowderies, but you know what?
No.
I'll let you have it.
There's 4 chowderies here.
Yeah, you guys
2
honestly
meds.
overpowered. Literally, I keep feeling bugs on me and I'm bugging out. I literally just want to figure out.
We literally walked for only 5 minutes.
I'm so out of breath just watching right now.
I can't breathe. 5 minutes. They're all the way up there.
That's like I'm too unfit for it.
Yeah, I can't do this. Oh, I like your shades, Tazdik.
Thanks, dude.
It's nice. You know what I feel like right now? I feel like
Guys,
The
we're,
dad
we're,
and
we're
the-
0.3 miles in. So whatever she says.
shut up. I feel like I'm the dad's girlfriend and Parent Trap. Yeah, the blonde hair girl.
No.
Camilla. The stepmom, but like to be stepmom. But I'm definitely her. And she's Lindsay Lohan. Make me do this.
God, Rafin, stop. You're not parkour.
This one is right there. No, but it's
We made it to the lake.
made it to Emerald Lake. Esmeralda. That's what they're all calling it.
No, he was calling it Esmeralda.
Rafi called it Esmeralda.
Like 6 times.
I'm sorry, I just watched Coco.
We just got some pictures. Where are we going next?
Isn't that, that's the mom's name? I
What's it
swear.
called? Skeleton Lake? It's another.
No,
it's just
Mama-
up the trail.
It's
Up the trail?
We've walked.
1.2.
We've only walked 2 miles.
Only?
Only.
It's nothing.
That's nothing.
Only?
Is she vlogging us freaking out about mosquitoes right now?
Yes.
Trying to find where to
We should go back. Get
Let's go
breath
back.
right.
I'm tired.
Let's go back.
Yeah.
Go! Oh my god, look at that!
But it's not worth it?
There's so many monkeys legs!
Yo, they're literally
Yeah.
This is not normal, this is not normal, dude. Look, oh my god, there's so many bugs.
So right now we're gonna get back in the car, go get some lunch in the beautiful city of Mammoth. Did you guys like that?
Oh yeah.
Just enjoy it? I think the only thing that threw us off was the bugs. They were bugging out.
I was bugging out.
He was bugging out. I was bugging out. We were all bugging out. But I'm not a hiker. Get it? Like, you know, but I'm not a rapper.
I get it, I get
I was
it.
like, but I'm not a hiker.
Low-key, low-key.
This is the one that you guys were like, oh my god, the lights are so cute.
Oh, yeah.
I knew.
The Mammoth Lake. And we're on Sierra Nevada Road and Old Mammoth Lake. Can you believe that?
Yo, wait, can we?
I can't eat this with
What
happened?
happened?
Right,
One of the best enchiladas I've had.
Ready for this view, guys? Are you ready for this view? Y'all not ready. Like, oh my god. What's the name of this place?
CONVICT Lake.
Third stop of the day is a hot springs. What is it actually called? Whitmore Hot Springs. Yeah, Whitmore Hot Springs. It's in the middle of nowhere. Middle of
I
nowhere.
just want to take a video.
Do you see this?
The area, but just go run over there.
She literally went in with her sneakers on because she forgot. Small one right here. There's another one over there. There's people there. So the last stop of the day, hope, is Minaret Vista. Minaret? Minaret?
You can't confirm shit with it. I mean,
It's Minaret Vista, and it is so cold outside, so I'm just gonna vlog from the car, but this view, we came here for sunset, and it's absolutely beautiful. Guys, like, I don't even want to come home anymore.
Hey guys, follow my YouTube channel. Just kidding.
She has no YouTube channel, but she should make one because she's beautiful and so funny and so cute.
Beauty don't make YouTube. Look at this new top. Look at it. Guys, I literally want to live in the sun.
What's going on, you guys? It is day 2 of California. Well, official day 2. But today we are going to Yosemite.
The hot springs.
I packed lunch. I packed lunch.
Good job, good job.
Took like
All right, so we're going to Yosemite today. We do not know what trails we're going to do. We're going to go to the visitor center there and ask them for advice on what trails we could do in a day and how we could see the most of Yosemite. But we're pretty hyped because yesterday was absolutely stunning. Everything was so beautiful. Like, we're so happy that our Airbnb was in the perfect location because we never heard of Mammoth Lakes, but it is definitely a place to see. Definitely recommend it. Let's go check out Yosemite.
I was like, you toasted all the breads, you had 12 breads on a plate. I was like, take the tuna, put them in, and then I was like, put with the cheese and the mayonnaise on the bread. Who gave you that direction? I was like, what would you have done without me?
I agree.
Nothing. Nothing.
It's on.
It says that if you see a bear, you're supposed to like put a circle around it in the ground so it can't step out of the circle.
Oh, like SpongeBob?
Oh, he understood that.
That's what I said it for him.
First stop in Yosemite National Park is Tenaya Lake. Guys, can we just appreciate this? This is amazing. Oh my God, look at that. I'm in love. Okay, so we're done taking pictures here and enjoying Tenaya Lake. And now we are going to,
I don't even know how to say it, but
TUOLUMNE?
we're just driving down Tioga Pass and just hitting as much as we can.
yeah, hitting as much as we can. All right, so second stop in Yosemite National Park is that. We don't know how to pronounce it.
Toluene.
Talium?
There's a pH of 7.3. It's French.
Taum.
Tuolumne.
I'm
Getting apart. I'm already winning.
This is like the Hunger Games.
Oh! Oh shit.
Oh my God. I only walked up that much. I'm so tired. We're all crazy. I'm about to slip. Guys, I'm not a hiker. Look, they're all the way up there. And I just ended up sitting. Because honestly, this view is nice from here. I don't need to go all the way up there. It's all good. Oh my God. I'm so out of breath. All right, let's start again. We're 9,000 feet above the ocean!
We're the same rock.
The rocks, you know the
We're
mountain
doing the same
spoke to us?
air.
There was a division.
Did you feel the mountain speak to you? Look, your head is just sweaty. That's all you got out of the climb to the top.
And look, I can still do like a lot of push-ups.
Pride than us. It's a different thing. Oh shit. We can do push-ups too. Wait, Rocky. Wait, we're gonna pray. Rocky, we're gonna pray. Like, come on. You wanna do it?
Because there's no Kevlar.
Literally, that's Michael Scott.
Scott, like if the office went on a hiking trip, this yeah. We did. I told you guys not to wear that. I told you. Daisy! Hold it here. No, this one. No, you broke it out of the ground?
Put it behind your ear.
Okay, so this is the third spot, but our first hike of the day.
Porcupine Creek.
Porcupine Creek. So
We might see some deer.
we want to go to the North Dome, and it's 4.4 miles. We asked a few people who came back from North Dome, and they said that it took them 2.5 hours, right? Yeah, 2.5 hours. So let's see if we could do this. So I watched a lot of Yosemite vlogs, and apparently every single vlog, people touch trees. So I just had to do it for the vlog.
Thanks, Rafi. Rafi's a hero. Look at this guy.
Can we like tripping?
Oh shit.
I'm helping Rafi find a walking stick. No, yeah, that one.
Rafi, how are you feeling right now?
Kind of walking 615.
Nice.
I can't express my feelings!
She's winning! You might hit her back. She's falling in the bushes.
I'm gonna stop vlogging because we're about to go back. And you already saw the trail, saw how long it took us, 3 hours.
Anyone want
But
Oreos
yeah,
or crackers?
this is North Dome.
Wait, what happened to my bag?
Do you guys recommend it?
Not this.
10 out of 10. It looks like I'm looking at pictures through my eyeballs.
Yeah,
Eight out of
it's
10.
amazing, but I think the hike is just like
The hike
tough.
honestly wasn't even bad.
It's not that bad. It's
I
just
got
long.
a little bit sweaty.
long.
You know, just a little bit.
8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Drake, Scorpion.
8?
No, like Drake's new
8.
song, Scorpion.
Oh.
Here, guys.
So we did the North Dome. I didn't end up recording much of the trail back because we were exhausted. I took off all my makeup. It was disgusting. We smell bad. We wanted to make one more stop on this trip to Yosemite, and we came to Tunnel View. This is exactly how I pictured it to be, but even better. I'm so happy right now because we came at a perfect timing with the sun and the sunset went down and the mountains are pink, but yeah, I'm super happy. And then yeah, tunnel view. So you come out of that tunnel and you see this fantastic view.
Time to go home!
We are done, we are done.
I'm so
we're
happy.
going home.
We have Mexican leftovers.
Hey, I'm
That is
so
the best
excited.
thing to look forward to.
Say it'll be in the next shot.
What?
And like slap it.
Oh yeah. Okay, slap it. Ready? Go.